Here is what no one will tell you about trading. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading Forex currently to fund my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, does love for the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are far too kind. Now, here's the one thing that nobody will tell about trading. How do I say this? At the end of the day, to become successful in Forex trading, it all boils down to you. Trust me, because courses will help, fine. Mentors will help, fine. But it still depends on you to decide and tell yourself that this is what I want to do and I want to be profitable doing this thing. And then you persevere and you push through the obstacles that come with Forex trading. Facts. Nobody's going to push you. They can just tell you, okay, you know, you can do this, you know. Might even be in a signal room. I might get signals. Of course, signals will help you, but to become that top tier trader, that person that is really into the charts, that knows what he's doing, that's able to sit down, analyze the charts and make money from the charts, nobody can help you with that. It's going to be you that's going to decide, right? Like, you're going to have to decide and tell yourself, I want to be successful at this. I want to be successful like this. I really want this. It is when you get to that stage that trading will open up to you. Now, I'm not saying that you don't need mentors. Of course, we all need mentors. We need courses. We need to get knowledge, which is very, very important. Those things will help you. But beyond all of those things, it all boils down to you as an individual. What do you want? Or like they'll say, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Yes. And newsflash, trust me, Forex trading is one of the most rewarding professions on earth, I can say. I'm not yet there yet, but from the little that I am seeing, I can foresee that this is one of the most rewarding professions on earth. So guys, remember, no one will tell this, but I'm telling you this now. It's up to you to decide. Like the difference between amazing traders and very, very ordinary or regular traders is just their mindset and determination to succeed doing this. Hope this helps you guys. Anyway, if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does a whole lot for the channel, and I'll come your way again with another video. Peace, 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 peace out. See you guys.